Okay.
Sir, what are you making?
First you make this shape. This shape. Try to make this shape. Okay.
Sir, please wait.
Okay. So I just make as much as possible.
Which color?
Green, green color. I make green, light green or dark green, whatever you want. Okay. Make shapes like this first. Okay, this is a shape.
Sir, this is a pine tree.
Oh, this is Christmas tree. We're celebrating this week Christmas. So we are just making let's first like this, and here you're making like this. In down part you make like this. Okay, see here you can make like this. Okay. Okay, making like this. Hmm. It's like this is I was making this what like mehndi, it's mehndi looking like this packets. So making first like this kind of mehndi packets. Okay, fine. Standing like this. And now you need one thing. Okay, that is important. If all of you have a scissor at home, you need a scissor for this. You need a scissor. All of you just collections, any small scissor at home. You need small scissor for this drawing. Okay. So what I did after that, okay, just I take like this. Okay. Just take like this. Okay, so you can start from the top. See, I just do this. See what I do? I do like this. See? I do like this. Just cut the line and up. Just cut and up. Cut and up. Okay? Cut and up. Cut and up. And up. You need the scissor for this type of tree. Make it like this. Small scissor is better. If you have a small scissor, you can make the small leaves. Okay. Just cut and up. Yes, like this. Cut and up. Okay, cut and up. See? Any small scissor, now if you have.
So please see.
Yeah, very nice, beta. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming along. The bell, hey. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. So my tree almost ready, the big tree. So long tree. With the clay modeling, you can see the 3 modeling 3D. Okay, like this. This looks as like the same as Merry Christmas tree. Okay. Like this. Okay. Almost done.
Look at mom.
Wow. That's great. Kashbi.
Dad, look.
Yeah, I look. It's really awesome, beta. Yeah, good.
Son, look at mine.
So,
Son, look at mine.
sure. Oh, nice. Wow. Arnav. Great.
My name is Arfan.
Great. Very nice. Okay, so I make it almost like this. Okay.
Sorry, in the top I can make one star and I can get.
Yeah, you need one thing more. That is, you are just use your any pencil, any brown color pencil if you have.
I will use my yellow color.
Yeah, any color pencil. You put inside yellow color pencil. Okay. You can put inside like this.
Acha.
Okay. Okay, in down part you can make like this, okay? Okay. So your lips should be very floppy kind of, okay? So it looks more good. Okay. So my Christmas is ready. I can put inside.
What did you make that okay?
Now we can put here. Okay. It's done. It's already done. So I just make it a platform. I make one panda's face. I just cut it out.
Sir, is this okay? Aditri.
Yeah, Aditri. Show me beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. So I make one platform. Okay, this is one platform. I put this tree in this platform. See, my tree is this, and I put here like this. Okay, so it's look like this. Make some platform and hold on like this.
Sir, can you see mine?
Yes.
Sir, Aditri.
Yeah, the three.
Sir, how is it?
It's nice. We are making. We are putting some eyes in the. Take some white color and make some eyes. Because it's Christmas, you know. So I make some eyes over here. White color. I can put some snowfall size.
Sir, please show the down part.
Yeah. See,
Sir, how did you make that eye?
I take some white color
Sir, please show down part.
like this.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is in that? Is it pencil?
Yeah, pencil. Any pencil or pen you can. Okay. We are making some white snowfalls. Add some white. It looks like a ice. Okay, small whites here and there. Okay, it looks. If you visit the just take white and just attach Just attach little here and there.
Yeah.
Okay, small. So it's look slow falls. Okay, so my this is a 3D. If you are making the 3 dimension.
Sir, it is over. Can I show it?
Yeah, please show.
Yes, sir. That is over.
Yes, Aditya, please show.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, nice. Oh, very nice. Adira is also fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so Christmas tree is done. Well, if you're done, can I go ahead to the next? It's actually standing like this. If you're standing, okay, like this. The side view is like this. All view. Okay.